Hello everyone, my name is Sai Jagannath and you are watching Hustler Mind, and now we are discussing another topic, and you can wait and stay tuned, and we are discussing lot of stuff about the topic is know yourself. So welcome to again. So I'm gonna send the request with my friend, then we will start this beautiful, wonderful evening session. Yes, I already sent the request, and we all know that knowing is the very essential question. You can say that because this is the hardest time, you can say that because this is the hardest time you can find yourself, who you are, when what you are the passionate about, and that's thing really very important in fact our life. One time you can find yourself, definitely everything going awesome, beautiful, fantastic. So knowing is very important thing. So there is a one of the book I read that this book is rudest book ever. This book I written, Swatab sir, one of the thing written that uh, if you want to be very happy, then you can need to approval and waiting someone a voice that stop this thing. Because when you are seeing that when someone approval me, and then I love this thing. So I think that is very weird thing, you can say that. So the written their particular book, if you any kind of passionate, you are need to start without knowing, without worry about other people, what other people think, that that's the main reality. So I think we need to start without worry, without seeing the result, you can say that result. So that is the
I
very
think we
important
need
thing.
to whatever I we are passionate thing we need to doing every single of day. They definitely one particular point of time you can see everything your past everything connect a dot. So I think we need to knowing ourselves because this is the hardest time find out who you are, and because when you are find out yourself definitely everything like going awesome. It is take to some time. So if you face some difficulty, it is a part of our life because everything happens for a reason. When you are saying yourself like everything happened for reason, definitely you are getting some challenges, new new thing, then automatically uh, knowing yourself very easy way. This is my thought. So सही साहिद भाई एंड साहिब भाई, क्या आप मानते हो कि डिसाइड
हाँ,
करते हो
अच्छा
क्या?
है ये नया चीज जानने को मिला कि you can't dot by looking forward, you can only connect a dot by looking backward. So yes, it is in a way it is true.
Yes.
Whatever we are is because of our past, not
Hmm.
because what our future would be.
Hmm.
Our past defines our present, and that present would define the future and ultimately become the past itself.
Hmm. Yes.
Great thoughts.
तो आज का टॉपिक है नो योरसेल्फ।
Yes.
तो अगर हम पूछे व्हाट इज द नीड टू नो आवरसेल्फ, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाई नो आवरसेल्फ? क्या हम खुद को नहीं जानते नॉर्मली? बिकॉज खुद के साथ ही रह रहे हैं ना, तो डू वी नॉट नो आवरसेल्फ? डू वी हैव टू टेक एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट टू नो आवरसेल्फ? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
I think we are not trying to find out our uh, passionate thing. That's why we are did not hear this question. So I think we need to first asking and knowing our steps, our daily work, और आप उसी के बाद हम जान सकते हैं.
कि it is important to know yourself, but a person can never really know himself or herself completely. क्योंकि सबको पता नहीं होता पूरा. We are daily discovering ourselves in various new ways.
शायद भाई, so what would you say? Is it कि हम खुद को नहीं जानते, और is it कि हम डेली चेंज हो रहे हैं, सो हम जो खुद का वर्जन को जानते हैं वो हमेशा अपना एक पास्ट वर्जन को जानते हैं?
अब ये तो भाई एक बहुत ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है कि देखो, चेंज तो इनएविटेबल है, डेली वी आर चेंजिंग, हर एस्पेक्ट चेंज नहीं होता, कुछ एस्पेक्ट चेंज होते हैं, एंड दैट डेफिनेटली मेक्स अ न्यू वर्जन ऑफ आवरसेल्फ, एंड वी जस्ट नो द प्रीवियस वर्जन ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स रादर देन नोइंग द वर्जन व्हिच वी आर नाउ।
Yes.
ये सही लगता है, लेकिन बट इधर भी एक लॉजिकली फ्लॉ है कि पिछले एक वर्जन से नया एक वर्जन आया है, तो मुझे जरूरी ये है कि मुझे पिछला और अगला दोनों वर्जन भी जानना चाहिए। इट्स अ लॉजिकल थिंग ना, कि अगर पिछला वर्जन है तो उसमें क्या क्या है मुझे पता होना चाहिए, और उसमें क्या चेंजेस होकर नया वर्जन आया है वो भी मुझे पता होना चाहिए। तो ये आप कह सकते हो, बट ये फ्लॉ उसमें रह ही जाता है। एंड इट इज ऑल्सो वन थिंग, और एक और बात है कि डोंट वी नो आवरसेल्व्स, ये एक बात हो सकता है, यही ज्यादातर प्रिवेलेंट है। वी डोंट नो मच अबाउट आवरसेल्व्स, सुपरफिशियली हमको सब कुछ पता है, बट हम तो खुद को हर वक्त वो एक्सपेरिमेंटल लैबोरेट सिचुएशन में नहीं रख सकते ना, कि हर एक टेस्ट कंडीशन हम पर हर वक्त चलाया जाएगा, तो हम थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन कर करके देखेंगे कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं, हाउ वी रिएक्ट टू आवर सराउंडिंग्स। तो ये हर वक्त तो नहीं हो सकता, कभी कभी होता है, तब हम को पता लगता है कि हाँ हम ये भी कर सकते थे। सो इट इज नॉट something that which we can do or which we can't do. Either you can do that thing or you can't do that thing. It all depends upon that you are taking the initiative and trying again until you